MusicSchoolPrep.com. Lesson 5. Chord. A chord is simply two or more notes played simultaneously. Lesson 6. Triad. A triad is a three-note chord made up of two consecutive thirds. Scale degrees 1, 3, and 5 is an example because from scale degree 1 to scale degree 3 is a third, and scale degree 3 to 5 is also a third. Scale degrees 2, 4, and 6 would also make a triad, since the intervals between them are thirds. In a triad, the lowest sounding note is known as the root, and the notes that follow are referred to as the third and the fifth. Since we know the quantity we are working with is thirds, we are mostly concerned with the quality of these thirds. These thirds can be either major or minor. This results in having four different triads: the major triad, the minor triad, the diminished triad, and the augmented triad. We will be going over and listening to all of them now. First is the major triad. A major triad is built like this. From the root up to the third is a major third. Then from the third up to the fifth is a minor third. Also, the interval between the root and the fifth is a perfect fifth. Here's a tip that will help us get through this a little quicker. A minor third is 3 half steps. A major third is 4 half steps. And a perfect fifth is 7 half steps. So, back to our major triad. Here's C major on the treble clef. From C to E is a major third, as we can see on this keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps. And from E to G is a minor third. 1, 2, 3 half steps. Also, the interval from the root to the fifth is a perfect fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 half steps away. Listen to the major triad's happy quality. Minor triad. The minor triad is like the major triad, but the thirds positions have switched. So, from the root up to the third is a minor third, then from the third up to the fifth is a major third. Also, the interval between the root and the fifth is a perfect fifth. Here is a C minor on the treble clef. From C to E flat is a minor third, as we can see on this keyboard, 1, 2, 3 half steps. And from E flat to G is a major third, 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps away. Also, the interval from the root to the fifth is a perfect fifth. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 half steps away. Listen to the minor triad's sad quality. Diminished triad. A diminished triad is two minor thirds, one on top of the other. The interval between the root and the fifth is a diminished fifth. So, starting on C, 1, 2, 3 half steps up for a minor third to E flat, another minor third up, 1, 2, 3 half steps to G flat. A perfect fifth is 7 half steps, so a diminished fifth is 1 half step less than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half steps up from this root C to this G flat makes a diminished fifth. Listen to the diminished triad's congested quality. Augmented triad. An augmented triad is almost the opposite of a diminished triad. Instead of two minor thirds, we have two major thirds, one on top of the other. The interval between the root and the fifth is an augmented fifth. So, starting on C, 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps up for a major third to E. Another major third up, 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps to G sharp. A perfect fifth is 7 half steps, so an augmented fifth is just 1 half step more than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 half steps up from this C to this G sharp, the fifth, makes an augmented fifth. Here's the augmented triad for you.